So just to demonstrate the installation of the O-ring, first things first, you've got your rim here. It may look like the O-ring seats nicely on that rim, but this is 99% of the time the cause of leakage. Do not install the O-ring here. The O-ring needs to be installed in the bottom, middle, or top cab. So again, got the groove here, you've got your O-ring, you slide it partially in, make sure it seats nicely. Give it a little twist. And there we go. Screw that back on. Starts tighten, give it a little bit more, and you're ready to go. You can run a little water through it. Got the pump here, available separately. Plug that in the top. Drop the pump into a pitcher or bucket of water. Get the faucet, make sure the softener has an outlet. Fill in with water. You can see no leaks. And there it goes.